Hi, I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today we're going to look at how to insert eyelets using the Prym Vario tool. The first thing you're going to need is the tool set for the Prym eyelets with washers. And it comes in various sizes. This is the 11mm and the 14mm size. And we're going to look at taking this out. We're going to be working with an 11mm set today. And when I take it out, we're going to notice we have some instructions and that the set also looks like this. It has 2 on the left and 2 on the right. And you're going to use them in succession like this. This is going to go on the top because it's on the top of the box, and this one will go on the bottom. So this needs to be inserted into the top with one of those special purple crowns, and we're going to poke a hole into our fabric. So we're going to put the crown on there with the circle side down and then insert it into our Prym Vario tool. And then we're going to insert the bottom piece right here on the bottom. So that is ready to poke a hole into our fabric. Now we are going to be making a cinch sack and inserting this in, and it's all prepared. And I have just a little piece of stabilizer to help stabilize the fabric. So I'm going to turn it over, and my hole is going to go right there on that seam, just like that. And my hole is poked. On this one, I need a second one, and we're going to just swing that around and poke our hole right where we need it in our project. Okay. Now we're ready to switch over the tool and get it ready to insert our eyelets. Let's pull these out, and I like to put them back right where they came from so I know where they go. And we're going to pull this one out. And this time our purple crown stayed inside, and that's okay because that means I'm just ready to insert this one just by putting it in. So I insert it in the top, and the green one is going to go right there on the bottom. Okay. Now let's take a look at our eyelets. We have this part right here that has kind of the tall stem that's going to go through our project. And if we look at the back of the eyelets, you can see it looks real similar. And there's one that has more of a deeper ring in it. That is going to go face up on your eyelet. So I'm going to put the bottom part through my project. And then I'm going to put it like that with that darker ring right on there. Then I'm going to insert it in the Prym Vario tool and lower the handle. Okay, my grommet's installed just like that. Let's repeat it on the second side. I'm going to insert this into my project. Then I'm going to put it on top of my project with the side that has the deeper ring. Put it on the Vario tool and push down. Both eyelets are already installed and my project is ready to complete. We hope you have fun installing eyelets on all your different projects.